Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. We out here at the park. I like to fly it, y'all, and I'm out here with a little mini drone. This one here, I'm not sure what to call this thing. I know it's a glow drone though, from Amazon, and right now I think this might be the cheapest deal you can get on Amazon for a toy grade drone. This actually comes in a 2-pack, so there's 2 of these guys that comes in a pack for 20 bucks, y'all. That's right, you heard correctly. You get 2 drones for 20 bucks, and they both come with their own transmitters and all. They both come with 2 batteries each, so it's 4 batteries in all you're getting. This thing does have altitude hold though, unfortunately. I'm not a big fan of altitude hold, but I don't know how this thing is going to fly. Hopefully it'll fly good. I imagine the other one is going to fly identical to this one, so I only brought one of them out. The other one's black, but pretty decent deal. The best deal that I've seen in a long time for one of these little drones. The transmitter is labeled. All of the buttons are labeled. So we have the speed button over there on the left shoulder. We have the flip button over here on the right shoulder. And these are trims here. Right here you have up and down. Well, this is forward and backwards trim, left and right trim. This looks like it might be headless mode. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are, because these are just look like pictures. I'm not sure what they are. This is automatic takeoff and landing. I'm sure of that. I don't know which one of these is return to home. Of course it's not going to return to home, it's just going to fly backwards down the heading. And I'm not sure what this other one is, but let's get this guy up in here. Check it out. Looks like it has 3 speeds. The power button here. Let's turn this guy on and get it in the air. So we got it glowing there. Let's try to take off with it. Okay, so the altitude hold looks like it's working well enough. Check it out. Not doing anything as far as the sticks and all. It's in its lowest rate. That's the yaw right there. Side flying, it barely can fight the wind though. And low rate. Let's go to the second rate. We're in the second rate. That's the yaw. Forward flight. Flying to the side there. That's the best of a funnel. This thing tried to act weird on me. Let's see. Okay, we're in third rate now. Okay, so looks like it got a little more pitch now. Forward flight right there. Yeah, so this thing flies well enough for me to proclaim that this thing is a great deal. You get 2 of these things. I don't know why the each one of the lights are a different color now. We have green, yellow, blue, and purple, it looks like. But this thing is a pretty decent flyer though. Check it out. Decent speed on it and all. Yeah, it's pretty fast, y'all. Wow, it does fly well. Let's try to flip it and see what it does. Okay, so it did a side flip. Let's see if it can flip going forward. Wow, it flips going forward, y'all. This thing is a nice flyer. Really sporty flyer. Yeah, it has a pretty deep pitch on it, so it can get moving. Oh! Vortex ring state. Thing got caught up in its own downwards air. Wow, now I'm impressed, y'all. It does nice flips and all. Does a pretty decent funnel. Check it out. Okay, let's see what these other buttons are. Okay, let's see. Oops. Let's see, what button do we have? We have this button here. Okay, I don't know what that button did. Let's see if it's... Okay, I think that button just changes the colors. So you can change the colors on the lights on this thing. Let's see. Okay, so we got blue in the rear, green in the front. We have yellow in the front, blue in the rear, red in the rear, green in the front. I think that's a great idea, y'all. So now this solves the problem that we've been having with the wrong color lights in the front or the rear. So this thing has an option to put the red in the rear and the green in the front, y'all. I think that's awesome. Let's bring it back. Let's see what other colors we can go to. So blue in the rear with green in the front. And then we have the one that we were on. Okay, so it's flashing now. The battery is spent on it, y'all. It flashes red. When it's in LVC, that's low voltage warning for those who don't know what LVC means. Let's see if it'll do a flip. Nope, no flips when it's in LVC, y'all. But this thing is a pretty fast flyer though. Check it out. Oh, it's getting weak. Yeah, it's getting weak, y'all. I can't even bring it back over to myself. I can't even end it. Let's see. Okay, when this happens, you just have to flip this thing over. It stopped before I was able to flip it over. But pretty decent flight, y'all. Nice flyer. This thing is the best deal around. I got this thing off Amazon, so $20 for 2 drones on Amazon is pretty good, y'all. I must say so myself. It has pretty decent lights on it, so I'm pretty sure that this is a great night flyer. And you can customize the lighting. You can make the light whatever color. You can switch between different colors that you want in the front and the rear. So I think that's really awesome. Awesome little deal on Amazon for 2 drones, y'all, for 20 bucks. I think the name of the company is Amiline or something, I don't know. Amiline, I think is what it says. But pretty awesome flyer. Nice options. Thanks for watching.